Good morning, students. So, exercise 7.5. So, question 6th you see. 1 minus x square upon x in bracket 1 minus 2x. Okay. So, here degree of numerator and degree of denominator both are same. So if degree of numerator and denominator same, so in that case, first we divide numerator by denominator. By that, degree of numerator will be less than degree of denominator. So first 1 minus x square upon multiply in that. So x minus 2x square. So now you divide 1 minus x square by x minus 2x square. Okay. So here minus 2 multiplied, so by 2 only. Okay. And here 2 x square and here x square. So in 2 by which we multiply get 1. So by 1 by 2. Okay. 1 by 2. Then multiply it. So 1 by 2 into 2 1. So this minus x square and in that, so 1 by 2 x. Okay. Then subtract, cancel. So this minus 1 by 2 x plus 1. Okay. So this now we can write 1 by 2 plus remainder upon divisor. So x minus 2x square. So again 1 by 2. This minus 1 by 2x plus 1 upon, again in place of that x, okay, 1 minus 2x. So now numerator their degree 1 and denominator their degree 2. So converted in degree of numerator less than degree of denominator. And after that, okay, so separately, okay, so a upon x plus b upon 1 minus 2x. Okay. Then means in place of that, you can write this and find a and b value, and after that in place of that you write this, then integrate it. So find a and b, so take LCM. Divide by x, so 1 minus 2x plus b x, and here minus 1 by 2x plus 1 upon this, cut both sides. Okay. So minus 1 by 2x plus 1 is equal to a 1 minus 2x plus bx. Clear? So coefficient of a you put 0 means 1 minus 2x is equal to 0. So x is equal to 1 by 2. So write here putting x is equal to 1 by 2. We get, so in place of x you put 1 by 2 plus 1 is equal to 2. This is equal to 0. Directly you can put r in place of x 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 also 0. So plus b into 1 by 2. So space is not here, so doing here. So minus 1 by 4 plus 1 is equal to 1 by 2 b. So this 3 by 4. Okay. So 2 2 means b is equal to 3 by 2. Then a value, so for a coefficient of b you put 0 means x is equal to 0. Putting x is equal to 0 we get, so in that you put, so minus 1 by 2 into 0 plus 1 is equal to a 1 minus 2 into 0 plus b into 0. So this 0 means 1 is equal to 1 minus that also, that also will be, so a is equal to 1. Clear? Means a and b values. Then putting them, so after finding a and b, then you can put here, so 1 by 2 plus, in place of that a upon, so a means 1, so 1 upon x plus b value 3 by 2 and 1 minus 2x. Okay. And after that separately you integrate it, so 1 by 2 dx plus 1 upon x dx plus like that. Okay, simply you integrate it. So 1 minus x square upon x, 1 minus 2x dx is equal to, so in place of that this, so separately integrate it, 3 by 2 constant, so 1 by 2, 1 dx means x plus 1 by x log mod x plus 3 by 2, 1 minus 2x suppose t, so minus 2 dx is equal to dt, so dx is equal to dt upon minus 2 plus constant, so this minus 3 by 4, this also log t plus t value put it. Okay, this is answer. Then question number 7. X upon x square plus 1 x minus 1. Okay, so degree of numerator is less than degree of denominator, so directly you can write, so x square plus 1, so ax plus b upon x square plus 1 plus, okay, b upon, sorry, c upon x minus 1. Okay, then find a, b, c value, so take LCM, so ax plus b in next bracket x minus 1 plus c in bracket x square plus 1. Then cancel, so x is equal to ax plus b x minus 1 plus c x square plus 1. Okay. So multiply it, r, okay, first here you have to find a, b and c. Okay, so but x square plus 1 is here coming. Okay, so only one you can find by this way, means this x minus 1 linear polynomial, so by putting 0 you can find x value, by putting that you can find 1 value. Okay, so that value you find it, so putting x is equal to 1, okay, we get, so 1 is equal to a into 1 plus b, 1 minus 1 plus c 1 square plus 1. So this will be 0. So 1 is equal to c into 2 means c is equal to 1 by 2. And remaining two values a and b. Okay. This also you can suppose equation. So remaining a and b by comparing their coefficients you can find. Okay. It is not necessary that every values you find by this way only. This also depends upon their linear factors. Okay. So here only one linear factor. So only one value you can find, remaining two by comparing coefficients. You see. So then again from equation first, x is equal to multiply. So ax square minus ax so x square write together. So a plus c x square plus x coefficients write together minus a plus b plus without x means constant terms. Okay. Then comparing, here write comparing coefficients of x square x and constant terms both sides. Okay. So by comparing that we can get, I am writing here. So a x square coefficient a plus c, and in left hand side x square coefficient, x square is not existing means their coefficients also will be 0. So a plus c is equal to 0, and c is 1 by 2 putting here. Then find a value. Clear? Then coefficient of x in right hand side minus a plus b, and in left hand side coefficient of x is 1. Okay, so putting a value, so minus into minus 1 by 2 plus, so b is equal to this plus 1 by 2. So 1 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, so three values c, a and b, then putting there. Clear? So this also you have to do in notebook. Okay, you can also do this inside. Okay, then integrate here, or after finding this then you write again. So x upon x square plus 1 x minus 1 dx. So ax plus b, a means minus 1 by 2 x, b plus 1 by 2 upon x square plus 1. Okay. Plus c 1 by 2 x minus 1 dx. So separately. Clear? So here 1 by 2 also you can take, so that will be out. So minus x plus 1 upon x square plus 1 dx. Here also 1 by 2 you can take out. Okay. So 1 by 2 so separately integrate it. Okay, so minus x upon x square plus 1 dx plus 1 upon x square plus 1 dx plus 1 by 2 dx upon x minus 1. So x square plus 1 is equal to t, so 2x dx is equal to dt, so x dx is equal to dt. Integrate it. This 1 upon x square plus a square formula, one, this x minus 1, suppose u, so dx is equal to du, so du upon u means log u, then putting values. Question number 8. So question number 8, starting process I will tell you, okay, and remaining you try to do from yourself. So x upon x minus 1 whole square, x plus 2. So degree of numerator is less than degree of denominator. So a upon x minus 1 plus b upon x minus 1 whole square plus c upon x plus 2. Okay. Take LCM and find ABC values and then integrate it. Question number 9. Three x plus 5 upon x cube minus x square minus x plus 1 is equal to. So factorize it first. Okay. So x square take common. So x minus 1. Here minus 1 take common. So 3x plus 5 upon x minus 1 take common. X square minus 1. Again x minus 1, x plus 1. So x minus 1 whole square, x plus 1. Clear? Means 3x plus 5 upon x minus 1 whole square, x plus 1. So can write a upon x minus 1 plus b upon x minus 1 whole square plus c upon x plus 1. Take LCM and also like that. Question number 8. Okay. Then question number 10. Okay. 10, 11. Two x minus 3 upon x square minus 1. 2x plus 3. Okay. So this also can write 2x minus 3 upon x square minus 1, x minus 1x plus 1. Or directly also you can write, no problem. Ax plus b upon x square minus 1 plus c upon like that also, or like this. So 2x minus 3 upon so a upon x minus 1 plus b upon x plus 1 plus c upon this. Take LCM and simplify. Question number 11 also like that. 5x upon x plus 1 x square minus 4. So x square minus 4, find their factors, x minus 2, x plus 2. Then a upon x plus 1 plus b upon x minus 2 plus c upon x plus 2. Okay. So in one more video I will complete this chapter. Okay. Thank you.